अब इस कोर्स के एक उस्ताद शुएब सर जो तालीकोट से हमारे पास आते हैं, और अल्लाह का एक बहुत बड़ा एहसान है कि इस कोर्स के लिए बल्कि पूरे बैतुल उलूम के लिए माहिरीन फ़न असातिज़ा मौजूद हैं जो दिनों रात तलबा पर बिल्कुल यानी एक सेकंड भी वक्त ज़ाय किए बगैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उनके लिए फ़िक्रमंद होते हैं, काम करते हैं। खैर, मुझे ज़्यादा बात नहीं करना यहाँ पर। मैं चाहूँगा कि शुएब सर को आपके सामने पेश करूँ जो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ाते हैं, जियोग्राफ़ी पढ़ाते हैं, इकनॉमिक्स पढ़ाते हैं और माशाल्लाह बहुत ही शानदार एक अच्छा निराला अंदाज़ है। मैं शुएब सर को दावत सुखन देता हूँ।
In this particular course, I am going to have totally 3 subjects. In that first of about Indian Constitution. In the Indian Constitution, first we will teach the historical development of Indian Constitution. How the exactly Indian Constitution has developed. How many committees are formed. These are the fundamentals that everyone has to be understand regarding this. And the second one is the brief introduction of the Indian Constitution. How many articles are there? How many schedules are there? And what are the articles that may impact in our daily life? These things that we are going to have here. And the third one is the citizenship. What are the parts of the citizenship? How many articles are included in the citizenship? And regarding, and very important, that is the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. And the third one, and the fourth one is the fundamental rights. What we have get the fundamental rights from the Indian Constitution. Totally we have got the 6 fundamental rights. In that also, and nowadays some of them are telling that we will take out of the fundamental right. But we should aware that how many fundamental rights we have got it. And of that fundamental duties, being a citizen of India, what are our duties that we have to do, that we have to understand here. And last one is like the very basic information like how to lodge the FIR and how to we will get the bail and what are the criteria to get the bail. These are the things that are included in the particular first subject. And going to the second, that is the economics. The first chapter of the economics is of all about the evolution of the money. How the evolution of money took place from the barter system up to the plastic system. And second one is the GDP. GDP is nothing but the gross domestic product. Nowadays in the easily in the newspapers we can easily observe that EDP is shortly fallen. The actually growth of the EDP is up to this to this percentage. And what does mean by this? How does the GDP will be fall down? These things that we will discuss here. After that, National Bank, and later on we will discuss the Reserve Bank of India. I think you might have observed that in daily life we will do the communication just by through our rupees. In the exactly above of the rupees, there is a written statement is that Reserve Bank of India. Then what is mean by Reserve Bank of India? What are the works of the Reserve Bank of India that we will discuss here. And the fourth one is the budget. What are the criteria that kept into the mind while preparing for the budget? बजट को हम कैसे बनाते हैं, किन किन चीज़ों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए बजट बनाते हैं, ये हम यहाँ पर पढ़ाए जाते हैं. And the fourth one and the very important, that is the GST, Goods and Service Tax. GST कितने टाइपों में होती है, किन किन चीज़ों के ऊपर GST कितनी लगाई जाती है. These things that we will include in this course. And the fourth one is the Human Development course, which is also known to be as HDI. And the last course is the Geography. Geography. In this geography, we will actually discuss the very basic things like how the universe was formed, and later on how many stars are there, how many planets are there, and in the second, the concept of the season. How does the formation of the winter take place? How does the formation of the summer takes place? And later on, longitude and the latitude. I think we might have known that the United Kingdom has 5 hours 30 minutes are away from us, in the sense are completely before of that. What does this mean? How the longitude and latitudes may impact on that impact on the daily timeline. And the fourth one is the Indian geography. What are our neighboring countries? Which particular country shares a particular border to us? These are some of the basic things that we will discuss here. And the last we will discuss about the mountains. Thank you so much for giving me this great opportunity.